Millions of people suffer every year from having their aftermarket truck wheels dinged, dented, cracked, and scratched. Damaged wheels can ruin your day.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Protect your wheels for 3 years against failures, cracks, scratches, corrosion, peeling, fading, and more. Just pay the cost of shipping and handling and get your replacement wheel delivered to you. You've tried them all, but expensive and time-consuming do-it-yourself fixes just don't work. Are you fed up of having your new wheels wrecked with no way to replace them except to buy a new one? Fear not, Anthem Off-Road is here to help. We offer a no-questions-asked replacement plan that can be added to your next wheel order. Anthem Off-Road, wheels built for life outdoors.